How to change a price, status, or extend the expiration date of a listing. First, bring up your account page. Then bring up the listing that you wish to edit. Just click on the MLS ID number. Now we can do a lot from here. As you see, everything here just about has an edit button all the way over. Even up here where we can rerun the wizard or go to any part of the wizard that we like. But in order just to change a price, we just simply click on the edit and go ahead and administer the price. Make sure that you click on Save Listing. If you don't save listing, it doesn't happen. Now let's go back. We've done price. Status is the same thing. Here's the status button. Edit. Go ahead and select the new status. Is it in contract? Is it sold, off market, withdrawn? Whatever it happens to be. And again, don't forget to save listing. If you don't save listing, it didn't occur. Let's go back over here right to the wall. And again, let's bring up our listing. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, to change the expiration date on a listing, again, is something that's a little bit harder. We can change the dates right up here for the listing. We can go ahead and change any of these items up here. But really, to change the date on an extension on a listing, please send us any paperwork that you happen to have. Send it right to office@MyStateMLS.com, and we'll go ahead and change that for you. The reason we do it this way is because state and federal law requires us to receive the proper documentation before changing the expiration date of a listing. This documentation helps ensure that all changes to a listing's expiration are legitimate. Thank you so much for watching.